Oh my god, my heart is shaking. Holy shit! Yes! Yes! Oh my god! I threw my fucking keyboard off the table. I beat it Cataclysm on 60 Hz, and I took a lot of attempts on any other extreme demon, and basically I beat it any other extreme demon on higher refresh rates faster. Well, I actually didn't beat them at all on low refresh rates, but this took me so long on 240, it's fucking insane. Anyway, see you on the next page, I guess.